My name is April Rose De Jose, 37 years old, Filipina. I have two kids, a single mother. Their age is 17 years old and 14 years old, and a boy and a girl. My previous work is I worked here in Hong Kong before 2014 to 2015. Suddenly, I break the contract. I take care elderly that time. And then I moved to Macau, 2015 to 2019. I take care infant, 3 months until nearly 5 years old. We are two helpers there. I cook and take care of the baby. That is my main duty there. And then I go back to the Philippines for good, and then I go back again to Hong Kong to find a new job because my son is turning college, so I need to work again. So I find job again in Hong Kong last 2024, and luckily I found my previous employer. I take care toddler, 2 years old. He's a boy. My main duty is to take care of the kids, bring him to the school, pick him up, and then cook food for him. I can cook Cantonese dishes like soup, steamed fish, and then main dish like chicken, steamed chicken, egg with tomato, chicken curry, beef curry, and fried fish. I can cook Cantonese food, and I can cook. Just tell me what you want, and I can learn. I can learn how to cook it. And my main duty is to take care toddler and to take care pets. I can take care the pets like dog. In my previous employer, I take care dogs also, but suddenly we end up our contract by terminating, but with good reason. Because we have mama, and mama don't understand me well because she cannot speak Cantonese, English fluently, I mean, but I can speak a little siu Cantonese, but still she cannot understand. That's why we break our contract, but I have a recommendation letter from my boss. Thank you. I hope you can choose me as your helper. I'm a trustworthy, hardworking employee, and you can rely to me. You just tell me what to do, and I will learn to do it. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you.